So friends, to solve this expression, we follow the V board mass rule, which dictates the order of operation. V stands for vinculum. Solve for the bar brackets first. Brackets, then parentheses, small, curly and square brackets. O stands for of, multiplication and division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We just break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So solve for the first vinculum. We start with the bar over the numbers is 13 minus 2. Now solve for it. You will get answer 11. Step 2, solve the round brackets. Next, we tackle the innermost parentheses. 15 minus 11 equals to 4. Now the expression becomes 27 minus square bracket 38 minus curly braces 46 minus 4. Now step 3. Solve for the curly braces. Now simplify the subtraction inside the braces. 46 minus 4. And after you will get 42. Now the expression becomes 27 minus 38 minus 42. Solve the square brackets. Solve the remaining operations inside the large brackets. So there is a 38 minus 42. And after that you will get minus 4 because the larger digit is negative. So the expression becomes 27 minus 4. So now final calculation, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding. So 27 plus 4 and you will get 31. Now, conclusion by strictly follow the V board mass hierarchy, which ensures that V stands vinculum is handled before any brackets, while standard board mass starts with the parentheses. So V board mass is essential when a bracket is present to avoid the calculations error. So now I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.